272.
एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ
एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ
नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति
नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति
स्थित्वा स्यामन्धकालेऽपि
स्थित्वा स्यामन्धकालेऽपि
ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति
ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति
272.1. The meaning of the words of the shloka. Esha, this, Brahmi, pertaining to Brahman. Sthidihi, state. Partha, O Arjuna. Nainam, na plus enam. Na, not. No one is. Enam, this. Prapya, having attained. Vimuhyadi is getting deluded. Sittvasya kalepi. That is stitva plus asyam antakale plus api. Stitva, having, that is being established. Asyam, in this. Antakale, at the end of life. Api, even. Brahma nirvanam richadi. Brahma nirvanam richadi. Brahma nirvanam, oneness with Brahman. Richadi, one is reaching. A footnote here. Perhaps the Sanskrit root rich had been traveling through Latin to English to become reach. 272.2. The meaning of the shloka. Hey Arjuna, this is the state pertaining to Brahman. Attaining this, no one gets deluded. Being established in this, even at the end of life, one attains oneness with Brahman. 272.3. Bhashya.
एषा यथोक्ता ब्राह्मी ब्रह्मणि भव इयं स्तुतिः सर्वं कर्म सन्न्यस्य ब्रह्मरूपेण एव अवस्थानम् इति एतत्। हे पार्थ, न एनां स्थितिं प्राप्य लब्ध्वा विमुह्यति न मोहं प्राप्नोति। स्थित्वा अस्यां स्थितौ ब्राह्म्यां यथोक्तायाम् अन्तकाले अपि अन्ते वयसि अपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मनिर्वृत्तिं मोक्षं ऋच्छति गच्छति। किमु वक्तव्यं ब्रह्मचर्यात् एव सन्न्यस्य यावज्जीवं यो ब्रह्मणि एव अवतिष्ठते स ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ऋच्छतीति।
Translation. What is spoken of this way is the state pertaining to Brahman. This is the state of being established in Brahman, having renounced all karma. Hey Partha, having attained this state, no one is deluded. If one stays in this state which is spoken of as pertaining to Brahman, even at the end, that is in the last phase of life, he reaches oneness with Brahman, gets released from bondage. What to say about the one who goes for sannyasa directly from the brahmacharya stage itself and is firmly established in Brahman till the end of his life? No need to say that he certainly reaches oneness with Brahman. 272.4. Explanation. Bhagavan is concluding his instructions for attaining Shreyas. This chapter is the core of the teachings, and the rest of Gita is an elaboration and removal of doubts that arise. The teachings in slokas 11 to 25 were about Sankhya, and it was rounded off with sloka 30, like an appendix to it. That was followed by the teachings on Dharma in slokas 31 to 38 to make the disciple fit for his journey. The 39th proclaimed that the two regiments of Sankhya and Yoga are different, and 40 to 53 told us how to rise to the state of Sankhya through Yoga. After that, it was the reply to Arjuna's query about the characteristics of a Sthita Prajna that ran through slokas 55 to this. 272.5. Bhagavan says here that what he has been speaking of is the state pertaining to Brahman. This is the state where the seeker, the sought, and the act of seeking all merge and disappear into the truth. This is the state of firm realization that I am Brahman. There all karma have disappeared and no remnants are left. Delusion, which might have haunted him during the days of seeking, has disappeared once and for all. He is free from the bondage caused by dualities. Then how can he be deluded? How can darkness be imagined at the emergence of light? This state is to be experienced and cannot be described in words. 272.6. Even if a person reaches this state at the old age, he attains release from bondage. This does not mean that one can lead a wayward life till the end and turn to a quest for truth at the end. The words "even if" are important. No time is too late for turning to this quest. But it is foolish to wait till the end because no one knows when the end would come. 272.7. But some may turn at a very young age, that is, from the state of brahmacharya itself, before going through the stages of a householder, etc. Such a person realizes the freedom from bondage while keeping his body. He achieves greatness and abides in Ananda, thus extolling the virtues of oneness with Brahman. The second chapter concludes. The next video is the formal closing of this chapter and the last in this audio course.